Hey guys, today we're gonna make a super cute notepad where you can make many different types, many different colors. All you're gonna need is some markers, colored pencils, whatever type of media you like, and any type of colors. A glue stick, stick glue or liquid glue, a pair of scissors, and some colorful papers to make this. I recommend using a light sheet of paper for the part where you're gonna write on so that you can see what you're writing. Now, to get started, take your piece of paper and fold it in half like this. Next, you're gonna have to take the bottom part that's folded up. Just like this. Now, you're gonna fold it over like this. Open it back up. And there's going to be a crease line in the middle. And you take this, fold it to the crease line, and then again, do it on the other side. Next, you're going to turn it over, and you're going to fold it like this. And then open it back up. Now take your scissors and cut on the 3 crease lines. Not all the way up, but until this folded part. Okay? Because if you cut it all the way up, there will be different sheets of paper. And now, you are going to fold it back up. Just like this. And there's going to be some space over there. Now you can take another sheet of paper. It can be in a different color. That's what I suggest. And then you are going to cut off this edge about this much. Now you're going to fold it in half. Just like this. And then you're going to take your other paper and go in the middle. Try to find the middle, but it doesn't have to be the exact because that doesn't matter. Now, you are going to take your glue stick put some on the top, not on the whole thing, and put it on in the middle. Then, do the same thing on the other side. Now it's going to be glued both sides, just like this. Now you're going to try folding these. All right? Put some glue over here. Put this like this. But now this side, just to make it more secure, I like to put it inside instead. So I'm gonna put some glue on top of it, and then I put it inside the other one. Just like that. And it'll glue. Now you're going to the other side, and you might want to cut off some extra parts. If you'd like. And then you can put some designs. I'm going with some dots as bullet points. Now, I'm going to take my other marker and make some lines. You can use a ruler for this if you'd like. Then, you can say to do notes like this one. You can put whatever design you'd like. I'm going to say you can do it in whatever creative way. I'm going to make some thick, fancy bubble letters. 2. And also, I'm going to make these look like donuts. And you can put some designs on the sides. And this is a very good gift to give to others. And it's very, very, very good for like designing it for any type of holiday. Like you can make it red like this one and pink for like Valentine's Day, or you can make it green and red for Christmas. You can make this very creative and add some special touches. And you can put other stuff like just lines. You don't have to put bullet points. You can put other stuff like headlines on these. Do whatever you want like to it. I hope you like this craft, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.